What is Chrome Web Store and how to use the Google Chrome Web Store? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use the Chrome Web Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So before we get on to how to use it, you have to understand what Chrome Web Store is in the first place. So for Android, you have a Play Store to download Android apps. For iOS, you have the App Store to download iPhone apps. And similarly, your browser also has their own App Store, which is known as Web Store. And the Web Store and all of the applications, which in this case is not called applications, it is called extensions. And what that does is that they're going to simply add an extra functionality for your Google Chrome browser. And of course, Chrome Web Store is not only available for Google Chrome. For Microsoft, you have your Microsoft Web Store. For Brave, you have your Brave Web Store. For Mozilla, Opera Mini, and so on. Any browser basically has their own web store, right? And to give you a basic example, if you look at the top right of my screen, here these are the two extensions that I've added. If you see this cloud-like icon, this is basically the extensions tab, and these are the extensions that I've added from my web store. One of the extensions is called AdBlock. So this is going to basically block any of the ads on my homepage. The other is Grammarly, the other is IDM, and so on. And these are not the only ones. You can download any extension such as Google Translate to automatically translate everything on your web page. You can download a VPN so that you can connect to VPN anytime you like, and this add extra functionality to your Chrome or browsing experience, right? So first of all, if you want to come to Chrome Web Store, go to chrome.google.com/webstore, or I'll make sure to drop a link below. And if you want to search for any extension, in this case, let's say just click on the search box. Let's say I want to install a VPN. I'll just search for a VPN extension here, and you'll be able to see many of the application lists, just like how you see on your Android App Store. The one I personally use is TouchVPN because it is completely free. I can just go ahead and click on it. To install it, I just need to click on Add to Chrome. I need to confirm Add Extension, and then it will get added to my Chrome. But by default, it's not going to get pinned over here, right? It is going to be hidden. So to enable that, click this cloud-like icon, and then here you'll see the VPN or the extension you install. You'll see the pin icon next to it. Make sure to click the pin icon in order to show it over here. And now I can simply click on it. I can connect to a VPN, and this is basically how extension work. And to give you a basic idea, this way you can use Chrome Web Store, and it doesn't only work for this. You can install any extensions that you'd like depending upon what you are looking for and what kind of functionality that you are seeking for your browser. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.